Give your scalp the care it deserves with our deeply nourishing hair cream bath ritual. Infused with premium essential oils, this rich cream blend restores and strengthens sensitive, damaged scalp. Paired with a soothing scalp massage, it melts away tension while boosting circulation for healthier roots. Feel the tension melt away. Neck to fingertips, this is your moment of pure relief. Leave with hair that feels soft, silky, and strong. Treat yourself to an Urban Retreat hair cream bath today.